If you're a business owner right now and you're not doing digital marketing, social, video, AI-driven content, you're already losing. And the worst part? You know it. But here's the problem. You either don't have the time, don't have the team, or don't have $5,000 to blow on some flaky agency that takes weeks to deliver a single Instagram post. You've got 1,000 things to do. And the last thing you need is spending hours trying to figure out Canva, edit reels, or deal with unreliable freelancers who ghost you halfway through a project. That's why I'm telling you about Your Design Factory, a subscription-based design team that gives you unlimited, high-quality digital designs for a flat monthly fee. Logos, advertisements, social media posts, thumbnails, flyers, faceless AI videos. You name it, we do it. Unlimited requests, unlimited revisions, fast turnaround, no BS, starting at $395 per month. You're not hiring a designer, you're plugging in a design machine. You submit your request, and our team gets to work. No contracts, no HR, no sick days, just results. I've seen agencies charge $5,000 plus a month for the same stuff. With Your Design Factory, you pay a fraction of that, and you get more. So here's the deal. If you're serious about marketing, and you actually want to grow your business without burning time and cash, go to yourdesignfactory.com, subscribe, schedule a call with our CEO, submit your first project, watch what happens. Don't let another day go by without content that sells. Click the link. Let Your Design Factory build the brand while you build the business. Go to yourdesignfactory.com and let us start creating your designs today.